I have a Serta mattress with the adjustable bed frame, and this is how you attach a headboard to this bed frame. The base is made by Ergo Motion, so you can order the headboard bracket adapter from Ergo Motion. It was $84.99. Let's open it up. Got some styrofoam. Here's the bracket, pretty large. Here's some bolts that it came with, some bolts and an Allen wrench, more styrofoam. Here's another bracket, more styrofoam. And here are the other two brackets. Let's put it together. Here's the headboard I'm going to attach to the bed. It has slide-ins for hooks, and you can also bolt into the headboard. First thing I'm going to do is jack up the bed using a car jack. Just want to get this foot off the ground so that we can unscrew the foot. Now that the bed is off the ground, it should be easy to unscrew this foot here. So we'll just unscrew it. Once we have the leg unscrewed, just move it to the side. Then we're just going to take this bracket and then put it up onto the bed. Center that hole, and then we're going to screw the foot back on. Then we have the bracket connected using the foot, just like so. Then they want you to just slide in this T-bracket and then secure it with two short screws. Just tighten it here with the short screws. But before we tighten it, let's line it up with our headboard. Now I have my headboard in there. I'm just going to slide the bar over to where the screw holes are. Line those up. I'm just going to get one of the long screws started in the headboard. Just slide the bolt through. It doesn't come with nuts, so we'll have to find a nut to put on the other side. We'll use the wing nut for now. Alright, so that's attached. I put the wing nut on the other side just for now until I find some nuts to secure it. And to get this lined up perfectly, I need to drop the car jack down. And then my holes will hopefully all line up. So I'm going to do that now. Just loosen this up. My foot will come down. So I finally think I have it on correctly. So this side of the bar is on this side of the foot. So you can get your nut, your short nut through that hole. Put a wing nut on the other side. The T-bar goes the same way. And that should line up with your headboard holes. This foot should be relatively flush with the bed. There's the end result. So our bracket is attached. The headboard is artificially attached. It needs a nut on the other side. Let's connect the other side. First up, jack up the other side. Unscrew the leg. Attach the bracket using the leg. Attach the wing nut to keep that bracket in place. Slide the T-bar in, line it up with the headboard, tighten this foot up all the way, then let down the jack. Secure the headboard with the two bolts. Sadly, this does not come with nuts. And also secure the T-bar with two short bolts. And that's how to attach a headboard to a Serta bed frame. Overall, I find the process was relatively difficult. Also, the lack of extra nuts to secure the headboard I didn't think was very good. And the price for the headboard attachment at $85 plus tax was very expensive. So this is how you can attach your headboard to your bed frame, but I do wonder if there are better kits to do this. Here's the final attachment of the bolts. As you can see, I got some nuts and some washers. For nuts, I used the M8 1.25 nut, 8mm washers, and a number 13 wrench. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.